Did you smell something funny on your last flight? Well, let's take a call from one of our valued crew members to discuss it. Hello, are you there? Hello?
Oh, hi, yes. On my last flight, there was a really strong smell, kind of like dirty socks. It filled the cabin and a lot.
Thank you for calling and for your continued commitment to protecting our brand. What you experienced is exactly why management is proud to introduce our new oil fragrance collection. Rather than stop the fumes, we gave them a new fragrance. You may now notice more neutral, familiar scent profiles, warm oil, even notes reminiscent of a grandmother's kitchen, designed to create a more comforting onboard environment.
We shouldn't report it?
Oh, you're still there.
Yes, I'm here. I'm just wondering. I mean,
Our focus is supporting you while also minimizing unnecessary disruption to the operation. Because delays impact our brand, and we care deeply about your experience within it. We didn't stop oil fumes, we refined the experience around them because your well being is the top priority to management.
No. Here's what you need to know. There's a new APU oil purposefully formulated to not smell like dirty socks when it's heated. The oil company says that crews are less likely to notice these fumes because they smell more like hot oil in a frying pan. So, fewer crew reports, less maintenance, lower costs. But crews should be aware of and report oil fumes, and maintenance should investigate. These are stealth oil fumes, not cool. You may still get dirty sock or car wash type odors from the oil that your airline uses on the main engines, and hydraulic fluid fumes will smell acrid, same as they always have. Most of AFA's advice about responding to fume events is the same. If you smell something unusual or unpleasant coming from the air vents, typically in a large area of the cabin, tell the pilots. If passengers haven't boarded, deplane. Report symptoms to a medical provider. The extra advice here is to also pay attention to milder smells coming from the vents, including that hot oil in a frying pan smell, and take those seriously too. Breathing oil fumes is a problem because the fumes contain toxic chemicals, and breathing them can damage your health. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more AFA and Aluminum Lady collaborations like this.